Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup GA4 conversions and affiliate link clicks, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Ensure you have access to the GA4 property that tracks conversions and affiliate link clicks. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on Reports. In the Reports section, locate your conversion data under the Engagement tab. Click on Conversions to view your conversion events. For affiliate link clicks, access the Events report. Identify the event that corresponds to your affiliate link clicks. Make a note of the parameter names relevant to your conversions. Next, click on the Explore tab in the sidebar. Select Blank to create a new exploration. In the Exploration workspace, drag the relevant conversion events into the freeform table. Add a dimension that categorizes your events, such as page title or traffic source. To back up your data, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Export from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Save the file to your desired location on your device. Now that you have backed up your conversions, repeat the process for affiliate link clicks. Navigate back to the Reports section to verify your affiliate click data. Click on Events and select the specific event for affiliate link clicks. Follow the same steps to export this data. Make sure to save this file alongside your other backups for easy access. Review both files to ensure that all necessary conversions and clicks have been captured. Consider scheduling regular backups to keep your data updated. This will help maintain an organized record of your GA4 conversions and affiliate link clicks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.